Welcome back to Must See Tech. Today we're diving into the realm of 6x6 expedition vehicles and the world's toughest overlanding trucks. These machines were designed for off-road exploration and ultimate survival, so let us tell you about their features, capabilities, and sheer power. Subscribe to our channel and let's roll the tape. Apocalypse 6x6 Overlander. South Florida Jeeps, also known as SoFlo Customs, is a renowned automotive workshop, especially famous for their Apocalypse 6x6 division. Their engineers and designers have been building the toughest end-of-the-world trucks in the business. But since Armageddon is not an immediate threat to humanity, the company has to branch out to the overlanding niche. The Apocalypse 6x6 Overlander is based on the modified Jeep Gladiator. The pickup gets a custom bodywork and can be optioned with one of three engines: Torquey turbo diesel with 460 pound-feet, Hemi 392 with 505 horsepower, and the flagship Hemi 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat V8 with 800 horses of raw power. Any surfaces can be conquered with a full functional 6-wheel drive engagement, options for 6 38-inch or upgraded 40-inch tires, and 6 hydraulic disc brakes. Overlander's owners get to immerse themselves in opulence with the Hellfire's full custom marine-grade leather interior, and there is a solid package for camping under the stars. This powerhouse includes a built-in TV in its slant back, a functional shower with a hose, generator, roof rack with awning, and 360-ladder, air mattress, propane-operated grill, water canisters, and camper AC ventilation. Unicat Expedition Vehicle MD68M MAN-TGS. The latest Unicat project turns the formidable MAN-TGS chassis into a 6x6 vehicle suitable for 6-person travel. The build comes equipped with a 500 horsepower diesel engine, 12-speed MAN Tipmatic gearbox, all-wheel drive with central differential lock, and a 2-speed transfer case. The third axle is steerable. Its camper body is performed using fiberglass composite sandwich panels featuring polyurethane foam insulation, making the TGS 4-season ready. Inside the cabin, you will find such top-notch equipment as Korean countertops and sink, Miele appliances, a huge fridge freezer with 257 liters of cooling space, and a Wi-Fi modem. The bathroom and the shower room are separated for your convenience. The kitchen supports gourmet cooking, and the U-shaped dinette accommodates up to 6 people. 2 of them can sleep on the double bed, and 4 can use extra beds, convertible from the dinette and the jump seats. As you would expect, the vehicle comes fully prepared for long-distance expeditions. It packs a 9-kilowatt water heater, 370 gallons of fresh water, Fisher Panther diesel generator, 23 kilowatt-hour battery bank, 2 inverters rated for 6 kilowatts of continuous output, and over 2 kilowatts worth of solar panels. Truck XT2. Underpinned by the heavy-duty F550 chassis, this expedition truck is a joint project of the Austrian Krug Expedition and Icelandic Arctic Trucks. The truck gets enhanced chassis setup, adding a third axle, an 8-link rear air suspension from Arctic Trucks, and new wheels wrapped in 44-inch Continental MPT tires. The extra axle is not driven, which means that the XT2 is a 6x4 truck. It is powered by a 6.7-liter V8 diesel engine that returns 330 horses and comes paired with a 10-speed automatic gearbox, and there is a huge 85-gallon fuel tank. The camper also features front and rear limited-slip differentials and a semi-automatic tire inflation system. The cabin of the XT2 accommodates a functional layout with a cab-over king-size bed, dinette area, a bathroom, and a mini-kitchen. The latter houses Miele appliances and Vetri Frigo C270 DP fridge freezer combo. All furniture is performed from lightweight wood panels. Finally, you should have no worries about off-grid stays, since the XT2 packs a hefty 23 kWh battery. There is a 1,450 watts of solar, diesel heating, and a freshwater tank with 118 gallons. Action Mobble Yukon Wolf. This highly specialized model was created by Action Mobble for the purpose of gold prospecting and wilderness exploration in Canada and Alaska. It is based on the brand's current Tamet 6700 3-axle expedition truck platform. The latter offers up to 9 tons or 20,000 pounds payload, has 3-axle all-wheel drive, and features several engine options, making from 420 to 530 horsepower. Inside, the Yukon Wolf is outfitted similarly to other Tamets. You will find a double bed, a dinette area, and a kitchen that fits Mealy induction cooktop and gas oven, plus Action Mobble's modified fridge and freezer, measuring 175 and 150 liters in size. There's an excellent solar battery system that consists of a 22 kWh pack, 1.2 kilowatt solar panel, 2 inverters, and a 1.7 kilowatt charger. 3 water tanks are standard equipment: 95-gallon fresh, 37-gallon gray, and 24-gallon waste or toilet tank. According to the company, the model also comes prepared with a little onboard workshop that should allow you to perform maintenance and minor repairs yourself. Finally, you can even carry a motorbike or a quadricycle in a dedicated garage area. Earth Cruiser Extreme 6x6. Earth Cruiser takes the proven 70 series Toyota Land Cruiser chassis, fits it with a 6-wheel drive, and then boosts the features of the previous XTR250 model to a whole new level. At the core of this new conversion lies a sophisticated bogie drive system with full load sharing capability between the axles. In other words, the system has selectable differential locks for all 3 axles, where the rearmost axle remains undriven until there is enough traction from the rest of the wheels. The Extreme 6x6 also benefits from a full airbag suspension system with an automatic load and horizon leveling. There is 15.4 inches of ground clearance, central tire inflation system, hydraulic brake booster, and Federal Explorer mud-terrain tires measuring 35 by 12.5 inches. Protection and recovery will not be a problem since the model comes equipped with 13,000 pounds electric winches front and rear. Since the model comes equipped with 13,000 pounds electric winches front and rear, heavy-duty recovery points, 2 full-size spare wheels with automatic lifting, and a set of max tracks. Inside, this purpose-built 6x6 inherits the layout from the smaller XTR250, but it benefits from the added motorhome size. For example, the U-shaped kitchen offers even more countertop space and hides a 122-liter fridge under the counter. Similarly, the slide-out electric barbecue on the outside is now accompanied by a secondary 68-liter fridge. We need your continuous support in delivering informative overlanding content, so make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let's proceed. Total Composites F350 Arctic Truck. Capable of surviving the harshest winter conditions, this truck camper was created by Total Composites and Arctic Trucks North America and Iceland divisions on the basis of the Ford F350 chassis. The truck gets fitted with a third fully drivable axle, massive 44-inch tires, and all-composite bodywork, same as used by the brand's other camper models. The model offers a custom interior with the ability to accommodate up to 7 people and a standard cab over bed. It has also been tested to travel to the North Pole, with the temperatures going down as low as minus 38 degrees Fahrenheit or 39 Celsius. In case you're interested in a similar truck camper, Total Composites offers 6.5 and 8 feet slide-in or flatbed models suitable for mid-size and full-size pickups. Peak SOD 6x6. Stone Off-Road Design aka SOD is a German RV builder who started out with converting camping vans, and now they transition towards fully-fledged expedition vehicles. Their latest handcrafted motorhomes belong to the flagship Peak series. They can be underpinned by the Mercedes-Benz A-Rocks or MAN TGS 6-wheelers with a wheelbase of 4.5 meters or 177 inches. In case of the Benz version, motivation comes from a 578 horsepower OM473 6-cylinder engine coupled to a Mercedes PowerShift 3 and peaking at 2,066 pound-feet of torque. The MAN D2676 makes 520 HP and 1,954 pound-feet, while being paired with an MAN Tipmatic 12.28 OD tranny. The driver's cabin is fitted with premium leather, Nappa and Alcantara. SOD installs a sound system, additional TV, and outside the cabin there is a new LED light bar and a rescue cable winch. This hydraulically leveled motorhome has a custom hot-dipped galvanized subframe with triple-point vibration-dampening attachment system. Its box body is a 21-footer with the interior height of 7.5 feet. The Peak 6x6 has a smart layout with a raised bed in the rear, additional convertible dinette, a long shower toilet compartment combo, and a kitchen unit with a separate oven tower. The interior is finished in warm natural materials, and the cabin is separated from the camping box with a vault-style pass-through door. Are you a fan of reaching the farthest corners of our planet? Which of these expedition trucks would you choose as your reliable companion on such a journey? Let's talk this over in the comments below. Before you go, consider smashing the like button, subscribing to Must See Tech, and watching more videos about new truck campers of 2024 through the links on the screen. We'll see you soon.